Then head teacher. Head teacher. Okay, now after doing this, let's apply the formatting. So let me check the first one, Ghana Education Service. It was bold and the font size is 14, so the same applies here. Bold, we increase the size to 14. Okay, then let's come to the name of the school. Is bold and the font size is what, 18. So I bold it. You come here, you increase the font size. You just click on this so you get to 18. Okay, then we come to the motto. The motto too is bold and the font size is 12. So it's bold, the font size is 12, so you just increase the font size. Then let's come to the address. The font size is 11 but it's bold, so that one you just bold it since it's already 11. Then the telephone number of the school, that one too is 11 and it is bold. Okay, then the people's semester report. People's what semester report, when you check here, the size is what, 16, sorry, so you increase the font size to 16. Then we bold it. Then we go to the name of people. Name of people. The font size is what, 12.5. 12.5. 12.5. So we'll just come here, we select them, we bold them, we just enter 12.5. 12.5. Okay, let's go to the row. The row is what, 12 and it's bold, so you bold it. I increase this. Let's go to the form. The form to be okay. So the form, let's increase the size. Let's bold it to 12.5. Okay, semester, let me check. The semester is what, 12.5, so you apply the same format. You bold it, you enter 12.5 here, you press enter. Then the aggregate too is 12.5. 12.5. So we bold it, we enter 12.5 here at the font size. Then total score, is 12. So you bold it and you increase it to 12. Okay, I think we are done with there. Now let's go to the table. For the table, you select the entire table. Then we go to borders. Then we click on all borders. All borders like this. Okay, let's go to the subjects. The subject size is what? 12.5, and it's bold. 12.5. There we bold it. Then the class score 50% is 12. Exam score to 12. 10.5. 12. So all these are 12. So you bold it, you increase it. This side, the remarks is 12. So you bold it, you increase the size. The position is 10.5. So you type 10.5 here. So we finish with the headings. Now let's go to the core subject. The core subject too is 12.5 and it's bold. So 12 bold, 12.5. 12.5. The color is red. Sorry, the color is red. If you want to change the color, you go to this side, the font color here, the A with the underline color. Yeah. So when you click at the arrow near it here, the colors come and you select the color that you like. Okay, the relatives too, you bold it, then 12.5. Let me check. That one too is 12.5, and the font color is what? Red. So just select. Just select it. Just select it. Let me count down here. Let me go to the attendance. Attendance is what? 12.5. Conduct 12.5. Attitude 12.5. Class teachers